In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and work with marketing campaigns in Wrike using the Campaign Management Workspace. Let's start from your Wrike home screen. Begin by opening your Campaign Management area. This is usually set up as a specific space or folder where all of your marketing campaigns are organized. If you have it bookmarked or pinned in your left-hand navigation, go ahead and click into that now. You should see a table or list view of all your campaign-related items, such as projects, tasks, or subfolders. Once you're in the campaign management section, locate the specific item you want to work with. This might be a task, a folder, or a project related to a marketing campaign. Click on that item to open its details. When you open it, Wrike will show you information like the title, description, custom fields, and any subtasks or related items. Inside this item, you'll often see areas where you can type or search to quickly find something. When the instructions say to type in highlight, it usually means you're clicking into a field or search bar that's already visually emphasized on the screen. Click into that highlighted area and start typing the text you need, such as the campaign name, a keyword, or a label that helps you locate or organize your work. Typing in this way helps you quickly filter or update your items without manually scrolling through long lists. Next, you'll be selecting a specific marketing campaign. Look for the item labeled as a marketing campaign in your list or in the search results that appear as you type. Click on the marketing campaign entry to open it. If the interface refreshes or the view changes, you may need to click on the marketing campaign again inside the new view to drill down into its full details. Once that marketing campaign is open, you'll again see fields where you can type, filter, or adjust information. When the guide tells you to type in the highlighted area, repeat the same approach. Click into the field that stands out and type the relevant text you're working with. This might refine what you're seeing or help you locate a particular sub-item within the campaign. From here, you'll be clicking through a few highlighted options in sequence. These highlighted areas may represent different subtabs, filters, or related items within the marketing campaign, such as specific phases, task groups, or views. Click each highlighted option as you move forward. This process lets you navigate deeper into the campaign's structure, switching between different parts of the project and confirming that everything is set up correctly. By following these clicks and typing into the highlighted fields, you can efficiently move through your campaign management space in Wrike, open the right marketing campaign, and access the key details you need to manage your work.